Okay, this is a video about changing the belt on your mower deck. I've got the deck off. I think most of you, if you're going to attempt this, know how to take your deck off. And I had started the video before I'd started the project before I decided to make a video on this, but I don't know how many videos are out there. What I'm doing here with this purple rope is just showing you how the belt will go this is here's your number if you want to cross-reference for your belt. So that's what I did, and I bought aftermarket belts. I bought two because one says it's 119.5 inches and the other says it's 120 inches. Of course, it's upside down. That was the number they gave me. So these are two different belts because you only need one, but I bought two in case they don't last very long. I got both these belts, looking for the number on the other one. I got both these for less than what one belt by Kubota would cost me. I wasn't real happy with the last one. It was at least 140, maybe 150 bucks, and I only got 3 years out of it. I do use the mower a lot, so. But the original one lasted. I bought this in 2012, and so that makes it 12 years old. The original one lasted 9 years. So I wasn't real happy only getting 3 years out of a $140 belt. So I decided to try these aftermarket. But that's the course that the belt's got to go. I will have to, this bracket here holds the gearbox. This bracket has to come off. And I believe it's a 3/4 inch socket for all four of these. And you probably will need a larger ratchet or cheater bar or something because they are pretty tight. So let's get started. 3/4 inch socket. There are lock washers on these too, so don't lose those. So yeah, you have to take that out so you can wrap your belt through here. Okay, I'm going to backtrack just a little bit here. I went ahead and did take this off. Just be careful you don't get this grease that's on here on your belt. Have a rag handy. So start off on this pulley here. Keep it like this. The smooth side of the belt is going to go on the smooth pulley here this way. And then this has to come back around. And here's where you want to keep the grease off there. We're going to have to put this through here. All right. And that goes around here. For some reason that's a tight. There we go. All right, let's see. That is correct. So here's where you got to really use some muscle to pull this to get it over here. I think last time, maybe not. Try this. Again, keep your hands clean. All right. I want to see if we can just pull this. It'll go. Oh man, so close. There we go. Sorry for the cuss word. But there you got it. That'll be fine. This one did on the ad say 119 and a half inches. And that one says 120. But this is a nice tight fit here. But you can see how hard it was to get it on there. So, hope this helps somebody. I'm going to go mow some grass. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe button. I make quite a few DIY videos. And you can see I'm out of breath from this one. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't cost you anything. But these videos, any liked videos, will show up in your liked videos on YouTube so you can find them easier.